students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and stay happy and healthy at your places. So students, now it's time for English session. So take out your child-centric English perfection toolkit 2 of 2 joyful C and now open page number 12. So today we will do concept one and many means singular or plural, right? Okay. So now, teachers and parent page activity number 1. Bring a variety of objects on a tray. Bring more than one of each object. Take out one object, for example, a pencil, and show it to the children, saying one. And let the children say one pencil. Repeat and say one pencil. Okay. Now, pick a bunch of pencils and show it to the children and say many. Let the children say many pencils and repeat many pencils, emphasizing on the S. Okay? S. So, then take one pencil in one hand and many pencils in the other hand and say one pencil showing one hand and many pencils showing the other. Okay. Then continue the activity with other objects till the children have understood the concept of many, one and many. Okay. Now activity number 2. Place the picture cards of singular word in a row and keep the picture cards of plural words in a pile. Let the children come one by one, pick up a singular word card and match it with its plural word card from the pile. Continue till all the children get a chance, right? So in this way you have to perform this activity at home. Okay. Now activity number 3, memory game group activity. Place all the picture cards mixed up face down on the table or mat. Let each group play the memory game. Okay, now these are learning resources. Chats of one and many, objects one and many, trays, picture cards. Okay, now move to the next page. So one and many. Now you have to match one object to many objects. Okay. So now see who's this? This is one boy. One boy. Now you have to match one boy with many boys. Okay. Now see here are many boys means more than one. If more than one thing or object, then we say many. Okay. So many boys. यहाँ पे एक बॉय है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बॉयज हैं, है ना? एंड keep in mind at the last of the word will come s. Okay, boy, boys. Okay, it will become boy to boys, right? So one to many, one boy, many boys. Okay, now next one, this is one pin. Now you have to match up with many pins. These are many pins. Okay, more than one, है ना, एक से ज्यादा है तो many pins. Now see s at the last of the word, s, keep in mind s. Okay, pin, pin, then it will convert in pins, pins. Okay, one pin, many pins. Okay, now this is one ring and these are many rings, many rings. Okay, ring, ring, then rings, rings. Okay, one ring, many rings. Now one chair, then many chairs. These are many chairs. chairs. Now see s. Okay, many chairs. One chair, many chairs. Okay, now this is one shark, then many sharks. These are many sharks. Okay, s at the end of the word, many sharks. Okay students, so in this way you have to do this Activities at home. Okay, take two baskets, paste label one on one of the basket and many on the other. Distribute chits to the children with singular and plural word written on them. Let them come one by one and read their chits and place them in the correct basket. Okay. Now, what do you drink in a mug? There is one dot on the mug. Make some more dots on it. And now move to the next page. So now see, tick picture in column B which describe the statement in column A. This is A and B column, right? Now read this. one bag, one bag. Now see, this is one bag and these are many bags. Now you have to take only one bag. Okay. So in this way, so this is one star, one star. So these are many stars and this is one star. So you have to tick over here one star. Okay. Now one bin. Now see, this is one bin. These are many bins. So you have to tick over here one bin. Okay. Now these are ships. This is one ship. These are many ships. This is one ship. Okay. So one ship you have to tick over here one ship. Now see, where is one duck or many ducks? Yes, this is one duck and these are many ducks. So you have to tick over here one duck. Okay. Now see one king. K-I-N-G, king. This is one king and these are many kings. So you have to tick over here one king. Okay. Now read this M-A-N-Y, many bags. Now S will come at the end of the word. Okay, bags, many bags. Okay, this is one bag, these are many bags. Now you have to tick over here many bags. Okay, now many stars, these are many stars and this is one star. So you have to tick over many stars. Okay, now see, many bins. This is one bin and these are many bins. So you have to tick over here many bins. Now many ships. These are many ships and this is one ship. So you have to tick over many ships, right? Now next one, many ducks. So this is one duck. These are many ducks. So tick over here many ducks. Now many kings. These are many kings. This is one king. So you have to tick over many kings. Okay. And now make checks for the number of the children in the class. On one half of them write singular words and on the other half plural words. Ask the children to open the chits. The children with singular words stand on one side and those with plural words stand on the other side. Let the children read out their words and form pairs. For example, cup, cups. Okay. So parents, you can make a singular and plural words, chits, and then let the children open those chits and let the children make pair like cup, cups, book, books, pen, pens, pencils, like this. Okay. So now move to the next page. Now sentences one and many. Okay. Now see, is this one duck or many ducks? Yes, one duck. So you have to write over here one duck. Okay. Write one and many. Okay. So take your pencil and you have to write over here one, O-N-E, one duck. Right. Now see, Are these many ships or one ship? Yes. Yes, many ships है ना, एक से ज्यादा ships हैं, so many ships. So you have to write over here MANY, many, many ships. These are many ships. Okay, now see, is this one leg or many legs? Yes, many legs. So you have to write over here MANY, many, many legs, many legs. Now see, is this one chair or many chairs? Yes, one chair. So you have to write over here one chair. ONE, one chair. Okay, one chair. Right? Now see, is this one dog or many dogs? Yes, many dogs. है ना, एक से ज़्यादा है dogs, so many dogs, right? So you have to write over here MANY, many, many dogs. Okay. Now see, is this one truck or many trucks? Yes, many trucks, right? So you have to write over here many, many trucks. MANY, many trucks, right? Now, is this one ring or many rings? Yes, one ring है ना, एक ही ring है, so one ring. ONE, one ring. Okay. Now, give a slate to each child. Read the sentences above and let the children write the correct answer on their slates. Then ask the children who have written cap to stand up and those who have written caps to remain seated. Okay. Now continue this activity with other sentences. Ask the children to count how many school bags are there in the class. Right. So students, you have to do some activities regarding concept one and many, right? And parents, you can make some uh, worksheets for your child regarding the concept of one and many, and let the child write down one to many objects. Okay. Okay, let's see one worksheet like this. Okay, so students, see, is this one dog or many dogs? Many dogs है ना. Read this dog. Now DOGS, dogs. So you have to circle on the plural. Okay, dogs. Okay, dog, one dog and many dogs. Now this dog, dogs, dog convert dogs in dogs. Okay, so these are dogs, so we have to circle on dogs, right? Now this is one car, so CARS, cars. Now where we have to circle? Yes students, on car or cars? Yes, car है ना, one car. So we have to circle on car, right? Now, is this one ball or many balls? Yes, many balls because they are more than one है ना, एक से ज़्यादा है ना, so balls है ना. Now read this BALL ball. Now BALLS balls. Now we have to circle on balls, right? Now see, is this one book or many books? Yes students, एक से ज्यादा बुक्स हैं या एक बुक है? More than one na, so where we have to take? Yes, book or books? Yes, books. Now circle on books, BOOKS, books. Okay, you have to see the last word. It will always come S at the end of the word in plural words. Okay, so S, books. Now, is this one boy or many boys? Yes, one boy. So where we have to take? Boy or boys? Yes, boy, right? Now, is this one bed or many beds? Yes, students. Bed, BEDS, beds. Yes, beds, है ना? So we have to take over beds, right? So in this way, you have to do activities at home, okay? And you can write down some singular to plural words. Okay, like pen, pen, and in plural pens, pens. Okay, pen, pens. Next, in pin and pins, pins. One pin, many pins. One pen, many pens. Right? And now bin, bins. Right? bins, bins. Bag, now bags, bags. Okay, students. So mop, mops. Okay, in this way you can do practice at home, right, students? So now today's English session is over, and now it's time for math session. So take out your maths book. Yes, child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 2 of 2 joyful C. And now open page number 62. Yes, today we will do a new concept regarding use of a ruler, right? This is a ruler. Okay. So process of perfection. Ask a child to bring a ruler to the class. Introduce a ruler and say, this is a ruler and we use it to measure things. तो हम इस रूलर से क्या करते हैं? मेजर करते हैं, नापते हैं चीजों को. ओके, उनकी लेंथ एंड height, right? So the ruler has divisions on it. These are called centimeters. See, these are called centimeters. These are divisions, right? Let the children measure their pencils with the help of a ruler and write the answer on their slates. Okay. Now see, this is a ruler, right? Now you can see here are some divisions. Okay. Now count them. It's start from the zero. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 10 lines. These are 10 lines. So it means these are called millimeters. Okay. These are called millimeters. So 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. Right? 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Now see, this is number 1, and after 10 lines means after 10 millimeters, 2, then after 10 millimeters it's 3 centimeter, then 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, and 12 centimeter. Okay, now see, this is a pencil, and now we have to measure pencil with the ruler. Okay, now it will start from the zero. It's called from zero, and you have to place the pencil from the 0 point, then it, the ending point of the pencil come at the number 8. It means पेंसिल की लेंथ कितनी हुई, कितनी लंबी पेंसिल है, 8 सेंटीमीटर्स, है ना. सो द लेंथ ऑफ द पेंसिल इज 8 सेंटीमीटर, है ना. कितनी लंबी है पेंसिल, 8 सेंटीमीटर्स की पेंसिल. ओके, इन दिस वे यू कैन मेजर many more things with the ruler, right? You can measure your pencil box, you can measure your tiffin box, you can measure your pencils, and you can measure clothes with the ruler also, right? Now, learning resources, ruler and slate, chalks, right? So, in this way, you can measure anything with the use of ruler, right? Okay, now move to the next page. Use of a ruler. Okay, so this is a ruler and these are called centimeters from 0 to 12. Okay, now see the pencil. You have to place the pencil from the starting point, means 0, and it will end up to the 6. So it means the length of the pencil is 6 centimeter, right? The pencil is 6 centimeters. Now you have to write over here number 6. Okay, so कितनी लेंथ है पेंसिल की, 6, है ना. ऐसे ही आप और भी बहुत सारी चीजें मेजर कर सकते हो रूलर के साथ, राइट. आपको प्लेस करनी है वो चीजें 0 से लेके और कहाँ पे उनका एंडिंग पॉइंट है वो आपने नोट करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज अ स्ट्रॉ. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रॉ. ओके, देखिए स्ट्रॉ कितना लंबा है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू प्लेस द स्ट्रॉ फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट and the ending point of the straw is 10. It means the straw is 10 centimeter, है ना. straw की कितनी लेंथ है, 10 सेंटीमीटर, है ना. So you have to write over here 10 centimeters. Okay, 1 0 10. So the straw is 10 centimeters. Okay, the straw is 10 centimeters. You have to observe the ending point of the object, right students. Now next one. This is a needle, right? Start from the 0 point and the length of the needle is, yes, yes students, tell me which number is this. Yes, 4. It means 4 centimeters, है ना. The length of the needle is 4 centimeter. कितनी लंबी है needles, 4 centimeters, right? Okay, now write here the number 4. The needle is 4 centimeters, right? The needle is 4 centimeters, right? Now, see the watch. Okay, start from the 0 point and it will end up to the, yes, which number is this? Yes, 8 number, है ना. 8 number पे finish हो रही है watch. So it means the length of the watch is, yes, 8 centimeters. Yes. So right here 8 number. The watch is 8 centimeters, right? The watch is 8 centimeters. Okay. Now see this crayon color. Yes, you have to place crayon color from the starting point and it will end up to the 8 number. So it means the crayon is 8 centimeter. Okay, so right here number 8. Okay students, so it's 0 to 8. It, it's 8 centimeter, right? The crayon is 8 centimeters, right? Now, story and role play. Polly, how long is your pencil? Jolly, I am going to measure it. Polly, the ruler shows 6 centimeters. Okay, so students, today you have to measure some objects with the help of the ruler. Okay, and then you are going to write down in your maths notebook, right? You can measure pencil, watch, crayon color, straw like this. Okay, you can measure your books, notebooks, mobile phone, है ना? Length of the mobile, length of the table. Okay, so today you have to measure some objects and then you have to write down in your maths notebook. All right, students? Okay, so now today's math session is over. And now it's time for spoken English session. So take out your spoken English book. Yes. And now come on page number 29. So in previous session, we recited this jingle. Jank the yak is a jolly good fellow. There's a sack on his back and the sack is yellow. So students, have you recited this jingle? And have you tried to make sentences? Very good. And have you learned these question answers? Yes. What does a yak look like? Yes, yaks look like cows, right? And where do yaks live? कहाँ रहते हैं yaks? They live on mountains in cold places, right? And what do yaks like to eat? क्या खाना पसंद है उन्हें? Yaks like to eat grass. Yes, good. Okay, now move to the next page. Now, see, this is a capital letter Z. This is lowercase letter Z. Zebra. This is a zebra, right? Now let's listen the phonic sound of Z, right?
Zed. Zigzag zebra in the zoo. Z, z. Zigzag zebra in the zoo. Z is the sound of Zed.
Okay, so Z is the sound of Z. Okay, and now you have to observe this picture. See carefully. Yes, who's she? She is Zilda the zebra. Okay, Zilda the zebra. What is the name of the zebra? Zilda, right? Zilda the zebra, and this is a zoo, right? This is a zoo, and this is a zebra crossing. These are called zebra crossing, right? And she has black leather shoes, and here is a zipper on the shoes, right? And see, what is this on the body of the zebra? These are called stripes. Okay, stripes. Black and white stripes. Now see, what is this? This is zinnia. Flower zinnia, right? This is zero. This is zigzag, right? And this is zebra fish. Zebra fish. Zucchini. Okay, this is a vegetable, zucchini, right? Now, see, ZZ, zebra. Zilda the zebra. Its G is wrong. So correct it. B will come here. Okay, B. Correct it, right? Zilda the zebra lives in a zoo. She has red zippers on her black leather shoes. Once again, Zilda the zebra lives in a zoo. She has red zippers. See, red zippers on her black leather shoes. These are black leather shoes, right? Once again, Zilda the zebra lives in a zoo. She has red zippers on her black leather shoes. Okay. Now, teacher and parent notes. Step number one. Have the children repeat as many ZZ words as possible, especially those given above. Have the children make sentences using each of these, such as this is a, that is a, it is a, I have a, I like a, etc. Okay, let's make the sentence. Okay, this is a xenia. This is a xenia. And that is a zero. That is a zero. It is a zigzag. It is a zigzag. I have a zebra fish. I have a zebra fish, right? This is I like a Yuchini. Okay, Yuchini, Yuchini. I like a Yuchini. Once again, this is a Xenia. That is a zero. It is a zigzag. I have a zebra fish. And I like a Yuchini. Okay. Now, step number two, dramatize the rhyme given above by assigning the role of a zebra to the children. The dialogue can be as under zebra. I live in a zoo. I have black leather shoes with red zippers. Okay. Once again, I live in a zoo. These are the dialogues of the zebra. Okay. I live in a zoo. I have black leather shoes with red zippers. Step number three, encourage the children to come up and describe in their own words what they see in the picture. Help them make simple statements like Zilda the zebra lives in a zoo. Zilda the zebra lives in a zoo. Where she lives? In a zoo. Okay. She has black leather shoes. She has black leather shoes. The shoe has red zippers. The shoe had the shoe has red zipper. Okay. There is a zebra crossing near the zoo. There is a zebra crossing. See, zebra crossing near the zoo, right? Now, step number four, discuss animal facts. Zebras have black and white stripes on their body. See, these are stripes on their body, right? So, zebras have black and white stripes on their body. Some have brown stripes too. और कुछ की brown stripes भी होती हैं, right? They belong to the horse family. और कौन सी family से belong करते हैं? Horse family से, right? They belong to the horse family. Step number five, ask questions that elicit a response such as, what is the color of the stripes on a zebra? Okay, what is the color of the stripes on a zebra? Yes, students, what is the color? Yes, zebras have black and white stripes on their body. The color of the stripes, black and white. Okay, black and white. And which family do they belong to? और किस family से belong करते हैं zebras? Yes, students. Yes, horse family है ना? So zebras belong to the horse family. Now, step number six, activity. Provide a sheet of paper and black watercolor. Let the children make their own zebra crossing using fingerprints. Okay, you have to apply color on your fingers and then you have to print on the paper and make your own zebra crossing. Okay, like this, right? So do this activity at home and you have to recite this jingle and you have to learn these question answers also and you have to make sentences, simple statements, right? And you have to enact like the zebra, right? So students, you have to do this work and you have to send me your videos right? So now today's spoken English session is over.